All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at one of my favorite shoes of all time. But before we get into that, make sure to like, subscribe, and also, song of the day, I'm going to have to give it to Changes by Tupac. And honestly, man, this song is so good. It's really old, obviously, but like, it's just one of those songs that like puts a smile on your face. Like, it's so fucking good. Like, the chorus in the back, like, legit a perfect song. Everything about this is amazing. Go listen to it. You guys probably already have, because you know, obviously Tupac, one of the legends out there. Rest in peace, Tupac. And just an overall amazing song. Definitely one of my top 5 songs, top 5 of my favorite Tupac songs, at least. Like, it's so good. Go listen to it. It's amazing. But yeah, let's actually get into these shoes. All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at a pair of zebras, and this is obviously like my beat pair, as you can tell. And this is actually a DS pair. I've had this pair for like, I don't know, a year now. Like, I've had it for literally like so long, it's crazy. But yeah, this is actually like my first pair of Yeezys ever, and it's honestly one of my favorite shoes of all time. Like, it's just so good, man. Like, looks so clean. Obviously mine are completely dirty, man. Just look at like the insoles and stuff. Like trashed, like literally. Like, look at the boost. Like, they're like super beat. But yeah, this is actually the box that they come in. This is actually a pair I got a year ago, like I said. I got it from Finish Line. I remember me, my sister, and one of my old co-workers at the time. We all won the raffle, so we all went to go pick it up. I remember I skipped 8th period to go pick up the shoes because I wasn't going to be able to get them in time. And I'm really happy. Even though I haven't worn them in literally a year, I'm still really happy that I picked them up because, man, just look at the shoe. It's so clean. Even though I've worn them so much, like the laces are supposed to be pure white and they're just like so dirty, man. Like, it's crazy. But yeah, let me actually show you guys the label and everything. This was on there. I don't know why. 9.5, white, black, red. 9.5. These are 9.5 too. They fit perfect. Let me show you guys the tag on these. No, you can't really see it too well. But yeah, 9.5. And yeah, let me actually open this up and show you guys the DS pair. All right, so this is my DS pair, and man, it looks so clean. Like, look, mine looks so dirty compared to that one, man. Like, so clean. Also, I believe this was the first version that had like the clear sole. Like, it's not supposed to be a different color, as you can tell. I'm pretty sure mine did change over time because of, you know, oxidation and stuff like that. Like, it just yellows over time. I've had this shoe for like a year, over a year, definitely. Because now that I think about it, like 2020, we're into like 7 months or whatever. Like, I've had this shoe for like so long, definitely over a year, maybe like a year and 6 months, to be honest. So I wouldn't be surprised if it's a little bit more yellow than like every other pair. But yeah, just compare them, man. Like Jesus, like mine wasn't like this white. Mine was definitely a little bit more yellow when I first got mine, just because as you can tell here, let me show you guys on the back. You see how like one is like way more like dark than this one. That's what the old pairs used to be. I believe all the newer pairs just don't have that anymore, so that's why like this one is a little bit more clear. And yeah, like, just compare the boost, man. Like, look how white that is. And then look how, like, fucked mine is. Like, it's crazy. But yeah, let me actually spin these around for you guys. Man, this pair is so clean, bro. It's crazy. And actually, on feet, I'm going to show you guys one new pair. And then I'm going to show you guys one old pair. Just so you guys know, like, how they look after, like, literally over a year of wearing them. Oh, another thing I noticed, too, was... look at how like dark it is on the inside. That's like just from dirtiness because I wear like black socks and everything, so it's like really bad. On this pair, look how clean it is. Show you guys the insole. Adidas Yeezy. And also, I do believe that the writing is different, or like it's a little bit darker on this pair. I believe that was something that they added a while ago too. But yeah, this pair is just super clean, man. In my opinion, the best 350 V2 of all time. We could argue the bread is really good. The one with the red stripe is also amazing. But in my opinion, man, nothing beats a zebra. When I think of a 350 V2, I think of this. Like, this is what I think of. I know a lot of people do think about the belugas and just like a bunch of other colorways that I don't even know the names of anymore because there's just so many. But this is what I think of when I think 350 V2. In my opinion, though, you know, Pirate Black and Turtle Dove, probably the best Yeezys of all time. But, you know, not including Red Octobers, though. But yeah, these are super clean, man. Let me take out the laces. Let me see if I could show you guys the size tag. I don't know if you'll be able to see that down there. 9.5. Yeah, just an overall clean pair, man. Definitely. I believe I put these as my 4th favorite shoe of all time. I believe. I don't really remember, but just an amazing pair. I remember like the day I unboxed these for the first time, I was so happy. Literally, like, such a good feeling finally getting like a pair of Yeezys you've always wanted. But yeah, these are really dope. Like to supply 350. I don't know. I feel like on mine, like some of the red dye as like came off. Like mine are like super beat. Whatever. Just super dope. Let me take out the insole. It's just a regular 350 insole, nothing too crazy. Oh yeah, you can actually wear these without an insole. I know a lot of people do that instead of going like half a size up, which I recommend 100%. Always go half a size up in 350 V2s. Some people just take out the insole, which I don't know. I feel like that's kind of weird, especially like if you do like if you wear black socks, some of the like sock lint and stuff is gonna get on there. So I don't recommend doing that. I recommend just going like half a size up. But yeah, if you're down for that, just know you can do that in case you get the wrong size. But let me actually show you guys both of these on feet. Okay, so this is how they look on feet, and you guys could probably tell which one I've beat and which one is like brand new. They're like, man, these shoes are just amazing. Honestly, on feet, like you can't really tell like too much about like the yellowing. Like right here, the insole or like the midsole is like really yellow. Like in person, on camera, you can't really tell too much. But honestly, man, an amazing pair of shoes. They fit the same. Obviously, this Boost is a little bit more squishy because this one is brand new and this one isn't. But this one is also a little bit tighter, which I'm not sure if that's what they did with the Yeezys, because I legit have not worn these in so long. Like this pair, like the last time I actually put them on was when I actually got them, just to like test them out and see how they look. Wait, let me show you guys how they look on feet when you're walking and everything. Super dope, man. I just love how they look. In my opinion, like I said, the best 350 V2 of all time. I love like this lacing too. Even though like this looks super clean and like simple and amazing, I just love how this looks, man. But yeah, let me know if you guys actually like these. I know like a couple people don't, which is understandable. They are a little bit like loud. Here, let me show you guys. This is my beat pair. And yes, I am wearing 2 different kinds of socks. Don't judge. But yeah. Again, bottom is all dirty. It's my brand new pair, super clean. And yeah, I remember at one point these were going for like $430 or something like that, $450. And then they restocked them again after I already bought them. I like bought a second pair for retail. I was pretty upset because I probably should have just sold these and then bought a newer pair, but man, whatever. Yeah, these are super clean. Let me know what you guys think about these, man. Do you guys think this is one of the best 350s of all time? And like, even if you don't like them, you can't even deny the fact that they're one of the most iconic Yeezys of all time. Like obviously Red Octobers, in my opinion, these, the Belugas, the ones with the red stripe, the 750s, Wave Runners, and then the Turtle Doves and Pirate Blacks. Like, I feel like those are like some of the most iconic Yeezys of all time. And then you also had the Louis Vuitton Yeezys and just the other Nike Yeezys, like the Air Yeezy 1s, the other Air Yeezy 2s. But for 350s only, I feel like this is the best one of all time. Like, let me know what you guys think about that. Does that, like, do you guys not agree with me? Man, super clean. Obviously, this one's dirty. This is how they're going to look eventually if you actually wear them. I wear these all the time, so that's why they were really beat. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the video. What do you guys think about the shoes? Do you guys have a pair? What do you guys like think about them? Because I know a lot of people aren't like the biggest fan, especially since they've released so many times. People are just tired of them. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.